Consider this. What if our fundamental understanding of financial markets is profoundly flawed? What if price does not merely traverse a linear timeline, but rather manifests as a quantum field, governed by the immutable laws that dictate the behavior of subatomic particles? After years of rigorous inquiry and development, we present the conceptual framework for a new paradigm, the Heisenberg-Torricelli Market Model. This is not an incremental adjustment to existing tools. It is a foundational reevaluation of how we comprehend price, time, and probability. Conventional technical analysis operates under a critical misconception. It presumes a linear progression of time and the existence of static price levels. It posits that an abundance of data inherently leads to superior prediction. Yet markets are intrinsically nonlinear, adaptive, and chaotic systems. To apply linear trend lines to a quantum field is fundamentally an act of intellectual futility. Drawing inspiration from the quantum mechanical double-slit experiment, our model elucidates two distinct yet interconnected states, the particle mode and the wave mode. In particle mode, the observer effect is acutely active. When a critical mass of market participants converges their focus upon specific price thresholds, the inherent wave function undergoes a definitive collapse. Price, in turn, exhibits a reaction at these precise levels with extraordinary fidelity. This is the direct consequence of collective observation compelling a state collapse. Our analytical system identifies these as rigid lines, such as the salient levels observed on this chart at 121,286.6, 87,605.5, and 27,350.8. Conversely, in wave mode, the influence of the observer is effectively nullified. Beyond the collective gaze of the market, price exists as a probabilistic cloud. Our model generates a cascading spectrum of probability zones, derived from logarithmic and linear equilibrium calculations, integrated with the dynamics of global M2 liquidity flow. Observe the distinct zones around 134,109.1 and 30,259.5. We employ Gabriel's horn as the topological archetype for time itself. This paradoxical geometric construct possesses an infinite surface area, yet a finite volume. An infinite multiplicity of potential price paths are constrained by the finite reality of global liquidity. As temporal progression unfolds, probabilities inexorably converge towards a singular point of execution. Within this model, time is fundamentally three-dimensional. Layers fold within the horn's topology, allowing temporally distant points to achieve direct alignment through topological convergence. The culminating principle is quantum entanglement. When the particle mode and the wave mode achieve simultaneous alignment at a point where time itself has folded, then and only then does execution manifest with absolute millimeter precision. This is the empirical observation of quantum states resolving into classical, measurable outcomes. The question remains, do you persist in delineating lines upon a two-dimensional chart, or are you prepared to chart the quantum field? The universe does not conform to linear trajectories. Neither does price. This discourse is presented for educational purposes. The specific implementations and calibrations are proprietary systems developed through extensive research. Thank you.